creating a 3D model. Basically you take your vector artwork, it can either be any kind of file format or you can be drawing in by hand yourself. Basically take the 2D artwork and basically apply commands to it to make it form into the 3D model. I've already created one here. As you can see, that is a 3D model of the lizard. We've applied texture to the skin of it as such to give a scale effect. So the next operation in this here would be applying tool commands to the actual model itself. So there's quite a few various ways of going about this, depending on what kind of material you're machining, whether it was wood, plastic or metal. Quite a lot of different strategies can be applied to the actual model itself. So whenever you're happy with your machining strategy, the next thing to do is to simulate the actual job. So what we'll do is here, first of all you want to do a roughing pass as such, which is take out the excess material, which is basically speed up the actual 3D side of it. So as you can see here, you can see the red and the blue, that indicates the tool marks. I can show it in more detail here if I apply the tool path. The red indicates the X and Y stroke, and the light blue indicates the plunge, and these are like the rapid moves to different points in the actual model itself. So that is the roughing side of it. As you can see, it's like a staggered step downs, and that's left about 0.3 around the actual model itself. So the next thing to do is to go do and machine the actual relief itself. This will create all the wee fine details in the actual 3D effect of it. So what we'll do is we'll machine that now. You can see it's going across the model there. There are plunge rates as well. So that's the actual model machined. So you can see you can go in and zoom around it and check it and make sure that all the wee areas are cleaned up and all the detail, all the nice fine detail is actually in the model. So that looks fine. So what we're going to do is now we're going to go ahead and machine this, and we'll see what way it turns out. Okay. So this is my 3-axis 3x2 meter CNC router, which we'll cut this wee lizard on. So let's give you a quick pan of that. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to set up the tools for the actual job. So that's what I'm going to do, just open the tool rack. Tool rack open, so we just put in the tools and calibrate the tools itself. So that's the job already set up. So now I turn on the vacuum and the sport extractor, and then we'll start cutting. Okay. film this lizard at the end profile platform as well. Moving on. That's him. All finished. So that's the end of him. That's the one done. There he is, climbing up the wall.